Good morning, children. Jai Hind. It's activity time. Dear children, Mother's Day is coming. It is celebrated on second Sunday of May. This year, it is on 9th of May. Do you want to show her how much you love her? But how? Here, I'm going to show you the simplest thing you can do to thank her for the million things she does. Make a nice Mother's Day card on her special day. So, what are the materials required? So, you need white chart paper. It's a Norway sheet, A4 size sheet. You can take it from your sketchbook also if you have. You need Fevicol, you need scissors, marker, sketch pen, crayons or oil pastel colors. You need two googly eyes. If you do not have these googly eyes, you can make eyes with the help of white paper. Just cut circle and draw an eyeball with a marker. And then you need some material for decoration. You can use these stickers. You can make paper flowers. If you do not have colored paper, you can just draw a flower and you can cut it, color it, and your flowers are ready. Then you need buttons, or you can use these stars, or you can use a ribbon bow also. Okay. Now let's see how to make a card. First take the sheet, fold it, like this. Now this will give a look of a card. Now what you have to do, you have to put your hand on top of it and just make the outline of your hand with the pencil. You need an impression of your hand. See, this is how you take the impression of your hand. Make sure that your hand does not move. This is how you will take the impression of your hand. Once it is done, this is how it looks. Okay. And from this side, you can give a little curve towards this side. Once you get the impression, the next step is that you take the scissor and cut this cutout of your hand. Like this, slowly, slowly. Children, if you are not good at using scissor, you can take help of your parents to cut this. So once you will cut it, you will get this shape. Okay. So now if you open it, it gives a look of a card. Now the next step is you just have to take the pencil and draw a line like this. Right? Now, then next step is you have to outline the card. Take a marker, black marker, and start outlining it. Like this. So, once you finish the outlining, your card looks like this. See, this is the card you have. Okay, see. Now once the outlining is done, the next step is to color it. Now after coloring and outlining, your card will look like this. Now let's decorate it. So you can use this flower, place it in the center, and you can put buttons here like this. You can place one button here and you can decorate it with your buttons. Repeat this on the other side. Put 4 dots. Yes. Like this. You can decorate your card. Now the next step is you have to make eyes. Now if you have googly eyes, it's fine. If you do not have, then you can use these paper eyes. Just put a glue and stick it here. Take some glue and stick it here. Now make cheeks with sketch pen. And now make lips with red marker. Make a small heart and it's done. So your card is ready. You can also use flowers and stickers like this, and you can decorate it in this way also. So I have given you many ideas to decorate. You can use ribbon bows also like this. Okay, so now children, make a card for your mom. Be ready with it in tomorrow's online class. We will write a beautiful message for her in this card. Enjoy making it. Thank you.